So what you want to do is take the smaller roll and then put it on the bottom so that one can run out completely. Meanwhile, what you're going to do is put the larger roll, the new one, in the top part. So the dispenser is actually designed to hold 2 rolls. And then in the bottom, as being demonstrated here by Rodney, you fold it up, a crease like that, a little fold, under the blue bar, over that white bar, and you leave it tucked just like that. So now, when they take the towels, first what it's gonna do is pull from the roll that's almost empty, and then it'll start to pull from the top roll. So just remember that towel has to go over this white bar and then under the blue bar, fold it up like that, little crease and a little lip. And then just gravity and friction, I guess, takes over after that. So that way we never run out of paper towels on the job site and don't get no complaints by using the functionality of this enMotion Georgia Pacific.